Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guy. We've got a 2008 Dodge Magnum here, and we're going to be changing out the brake pads. It's pretty simple and easy to do. You got two 13mm bolts right here on the caliper. We're going to loosen them up, pull the caliper out of the way. I've already broken them free. And I will tell you a little trick I usually do. When they're pretty far in there, I'll take a flathead screwdriver and I'll pull, slide, so that way it actually pulls the pistons back into the caliper. That'll save you a little bit of time and effort right there. Let's go ahead and pull out the 13s. Alright, all I'm going to do is just slide this guy out. Now the piston's not 100% in yet, so we're still going to have to do a little bit of prying in there. Simply slide these out. Yeah, I was pretty much, hey, you know, mechanics' car is always the last one to be done, so unfortunately this is my car, and I've had the brake pads like sitting in the car for just a year maybe, and all you're gonna do is literally sit this right back in, slide in and back in, just like that. Same in the back, slide it out, new one goes in, goes right up into its little spot and back in. So just that simple, that is in. Now the fun begins of trying to get this back in with a piston still out. Now sometimes I can actually cheat a little bit, and I can take a flathead screwdriver again, push in like this. Now be careful not to damage anything. And almost got it. Alright. And just like that, it is back in. Now sometimes I'll just help it a little bit so we know we got plenty of slack for it to first start off. Put your bottom bolt in. Tighten it back up. Now sometimes if it spins right here, you will have to hold this. Mine are actually doing like pretty good like they're supposed to. So those are the floaters. If they do not float like they're supposed to, you should be able to slide it back and forth, and I'll show you what I mean by that. If they don't float, you got to pull them out, put a little bit of grease in there, make sure they're fully functional. Alright, let me show you what I mean. It's sliding nicely in there so it's free like it's supposed to. Otherwise you'll have other problems. Now at that point, that has changed out your brake pads on your Dodge Magnums. It's just that simple. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one of 59 videos.